Trip Radar doesn't send you a ride because you're the closest driver anymore. It's an auction. 5 drivers could be staring at the exact same pickup at 5 different pay rates, and whoever's willing to take the lowest number is usually the one who gets it. And it didn't used to work that way. One ride request went to one driver, the closest one, as an exclusive offer. You accepted it or you declined it. No competition and no guessing. If it hit your screen, it was yours the second that you tapped accept. Now, the problem for Uber was speed. Every time a driver declined, the app had to go find the next closest driver, one at a time, while the rider sat there waiting, so they built something faster. Now that same ride gets blasted out to a batch of drivers at once. Up to 5 of us all looking at the same pickup at the same time. Notice the button change too. It's not always accept. Sometimes it's a match. You tap match and then you wait 10, 15 seconds to find out if you actually got it. You're not accepting a ride anymore. You're raising your hand and you're hoping somebody picks you. Uber's help page says matching comes down to proximity and estimated wait time, not who taps first. Now, that's fine on paper, but drivers all over the country are reporting a pattern that has nothing to do with who's closest. Drivers call it a reverse auction. Same ride shown to multiple drivers at a different price. One driver sees it for $12. Another driver, same pickup, sees it for $10. Whoever takes the lowest number tends to be the one who gets matched. And if nobody bites, Uber doesn't raise the offer to get somebody to take it. It lowers it again and puts it back out until somebody does. In February, Uber's own chief product officer admitted a coding area was re-offering the same ride to a driver at a lower payout after the first offer got ignored. One driver got offered a ride for $12.53. Didn't move fast enough, and the same ride came back at $11.60. Another saw an offer drop from $11.45 down to $8.84 for the identical trip. Uber called it a bug. Drivers have been posting screenshots for the exact pattern over a year before the admission ever happened. And this isn't the first time Uber built a system that matches the lowest number. Back in 2023, Uber ran a pilot at airports in Santa Barbara, Palm Springs, and Sacramento where drivers could raise their own fares. And Uber openly said it would match riders to whichever driver had the lowest price first. They've done this before. It's just a quieter version of the same rides running everywhere at the same time. And it's not you. One driver looking at one ride has leverage. Take it or leave it. Uber has to make it worth your time. Put 5 drivers all on that same ride competing against each other, and that leverage is gone. It's not about what the ride is worth anymore. It's about who's desperate enough to say yes at the lowest number first. Take one buyer. Put multiple sellers against each other bidding for the same job, and that price goes down every time. That's not a theory. That's just math, and Uber knows it. That's the entire point of Trip Radar. Cherry picking still works a little. You can be selective about what you tap, but you're choosing off a menu that Uber controls. In an auction Uber designed against other drivers Uber put in the same pool as you on purpose. You can optimize your picks all day. You cannot optimize your way out of a system built to push the price down every time. And this hits hardest where the most drivers are stacked in the same pool, like UberX or Comfort, which is that crowded middle. Higher tiers like Black especially have way fewer drivers even qualify to see those rides. Smaller pools competing against you means less of this race to the bottom pressure. It's not gone completely, it's smaller. And that's the difference. Fighting the algorithm and getting out of the pool that it's designed to squeeze. And Trip Radar isn't broken. It's working exactly the way it was built. It just wasn't built for you. It was built to get Uber the cheapest ride possible as fast as possible, and calling it a match instead of an auction doesn't change what's on your screen. I'm not telling you to quit tapping match. I'm telling you to quit expecting a hack to fix a system built against you from the start. The real fix isn't a trick. It's getting into a tier with fewer people who are bidding against you for the same ride. Now drop a comment. Have you noticed the same ride show up at a different price the second time around? And hit like and subscribe if you're not already, and send this to a driver who's still thinking tapping fast is the strategy. So remember, drive better, drive smarter, and drive without the frustration.